How to get $50 Vitacost coupon code. Get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna see the search box. Type in Vitacost coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working coupon code for Vitacost. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deal and offer. You can see that 20% off, $20 off, $50 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on the offer. So here is the code, copy it, then click on redeem at Vitacost. You will be directed to the official website. Now you can log into your account, browse through the items, select the items that you want to purchase and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find this section of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount on your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Vitacost. Lastly, go through these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working coupon code for Vitacost. This way you can easily get $50 Vitacost coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.